In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Rakuten affiliate program. We'll walk through the entire sign-up flow from the homepage to your publisher dashboard so you can start partnering with advertisers confidently and without missing any key steps. First, open your web browser and go to rakutenadvertising.com. Confirm you're on the official site by checking the URL and the padlock icon in the address bar. Give the page a moment to load, then proceed. At the top right, click Become a Publisher. In Rakuten's system, a publisher is anyone who promotes brands, like a website owner, blogger, or social creator, and earns commissions on referred sales. This is the correct entry point to create your affiliate account. You'll see a registration form. Enter your email address and name, then create a strong, unique password and click Register. For security, choose a password you don't use elsewhere, with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid sharing it with anyone. Next, check your inbox for a verification email from Rakuten Advertising. Open it and click Verify to confirm your email. If it isn't there yet, look in your spam or promotions folders and give it a minute. Verification links can expire, so complete this step promptly to keep your sign-up moving. Back in your browser, click Get Started on the Rakuten page to continue onboarding. You'll be asked to select your country and, if applicable, your state or region. Click Next. This ensures the correct legal, tax, and payout settings are applied for your location, and it may also influence currency and available programs. Now choose whether you're signing up as an individual or as part of a company, then click Next. Pick the option that truly reflects how you operate because it can affect how your account is configured and how payments are issued. You'll be prompted to pick your content categories. Choose the topics that best match your website, social channels, or app, then click Next. Accurate categories help advertisers discover you and improve the relevance of program recommendations. If you're unsure, select your primary focus areas. You can refine them later. Before submitting, read the publisher agreement and related policies. Pay special attention to payment terms, acceptable promotion methods, and data and compliance rules. When you're comfortable, accept the terms and click Submit. After approval, you'll arrive at your publisher dashboard, your affiliate control panel. Approval may be instant or require a short review. Watch your email for updates. From the dashboard, you can explore advertisers, access affiliate links, and track clicks and earnings in one place. That's the complete process for signing up for the Rakuten affiliate program. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be ready to start partnering with brands.